Those who are productive are in high demand, correct? They manage several projects and have busy schedules. Every moment of their time is planned and utilized effectively. Hold on. You're not going to be productive if that's how you see the road. If all of your time is spent working, you'll probably end up failing. It may also surprise you to learn that one of the finest strategies to make a clear route to productivity is to live simply. What is the minimalist movement? A lifestyle or style known as minimalism is defined by extreme simplicity. Living a minimalist lifestyle means making more of an effort to live simply, contentedly, and with purpose. A minimalist style, which is popular in fashion, art, and of course interior design, emphasizes visual simplicity to create a tidy, uncluttered appearance. Fundamentally, minimalism is about getting rid of the things that aren't required in order to focus and value the things that truly are important. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising and welcome to the Prospective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity so you can stay organized and easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 1. Minimalist setting of goals. Being productive might involve a lot of goal setting. Setting objectives that you spend time, money, and energy pursuing when they truly don't correspond with your needs or even your wants is pointless. Setting objectives that you spend time, money, and energy pursuing when they don't truly correspond with your needs or wants is pointless. Select objectives that are meaningful to you and are reachable, straightforward, and of course actionable. They could be pertinent to your personal and even professional life. Adhere to them, maintain your concentration, and go back to them frequently. Another type of clutter that draws you away from the road you want to take is a set of goals that no longer serves you or aren't in line with what you want out of life. Seeing the wider picture in all you do, whether it's your job, your house management, self-care, or even your personal growth, is made easier by minimalism. Minimalism makes it easier to recognize, identifying what you care about, behavior patterns you wish to establish, bad habits you wish to break, opportunities for growth and development, and lastly, objectives and aspirations you wish to fulfill. You'll understand all of this better because you'll have a broader awareness of everything you do in your life, including what you let in and don't release. Being more deliberate with your time, how you spend it, and your life in general is encouraged by minimalism. In order to create objectives and ambitions, minimalism compels you to consider what matters to you and your priorities in life. Tip 2. Setting task priorities. Being minimalistic means that you should always be aware of the moment and concentrate on what matters most. You can't easily perceive what's vital when your mind is packed with tasks that you need to complete, things to remember, and other mental clutter. It all becomes a tangled cloud of thoughts. By adopting a more minimalist approach and decluttering your to-do list and thinking, you'll have the clarity and mental room necessary to properly prioritize and identify your activities. Tip 3. Practicing minimalism releases financial capital. Productivity is a natural byproduct of living a simple lifestyle. Less of everything is the goal of minimalism. Less bills, fewer possessions, fewer cars, and fewer houses. This gives your company access to more resources. By living simply, you may reduce your monthly outgoing cost, which will free up an additional amount of money for productive pursuits. That's not all that horrible. You can easily invest that money back into your company or even your life. Put that money aside for your child's education or even take a well-deserved trip. Alternately, if you'd like to make other investments in your life, you can begin along a different job route. The biggest investment you can make in yourself, whether considering to get another degree or taking up a new language, is something you might not have been able to afford before switching to a minimalist lifestyle. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at prospectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip for allocating time to the appropriate tasks. By practicing minimalism, you learn to let go of things and concentrate on the things that truly matter and enhance your life. The same idea is true for how you arrange your schedule, your time, and your obligations. You choose what you say yes to and how much time you dedicate to it carefully. You spend your time on the right things that matter to you, rather than the things you feel like you're forced to do or that someone else has picked for you to do. Unless, of course, that's what your employer or work demands, because you won't be as likely to overbook yourself, miss too many appointments, or even overextend yourself in general. You won't be as likely to fill your schedule. Tip 5, living a simple lifestyle frees up your time. Having fewer things is just one aspect of minimalism. It also involves reducing your workload. It may seem that productivity and decreased busyness are mutually exclusive, and well, you'd be wrong. Reducing non-essential distractions such as TV, social media, and pointless meetings allows you to dedicate more time to useful things. But be careful not to misunderstand. You don't have to cram work into every spare moment just because you have extra time to be productive. Make deliberate breaks, unwind, sip some tea, go for a walk. These provide you with space and time to reflect on your job. Ultimately, you will become more productive if you work less hours. Tip 6, simpler to maintain. Clutter won't be there, so there's no need to move it every time you want to dust. You won't need to perform any preliminary work to clear the floor or even the surface, so it will be simpler for you to do tasks like vacuuming and even cleaning a countertop when you adopt the minimalist principles. This helps the task appear less overwhelming overall and allows it to be finished more faster. Tip 7, less clutter encourages reflection and originality. Let's discuss clutter. Not all clutter is tangible. Additionally, clutter is mental. Furthermore, when your physical surroundings are congested, you're far more likely to have a cluttered mind. There are some reinforcements of the idea that the road to productivity isn't always filled with opportunities. When it comes to beginning a project, 2 of your best friends are a clear head and a blank piece of paper. They provide you the flexibility to decide whether to be creative and, of course, productive. Tip 8, enhance peace of mind. Your house should be your haven, but it's hard to do so when there's clutter all over the place. Before having a bath, nobody likes to take out a heap of garments from their bed or take out half-empty shower items. Once you've made the switch to a minimalist lifestyle, you can stop thinking about work and tidying up and instead spend your time unwinding in your environment. Create a budget that works for you and track your debt, monthly bills, savings, expenses, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and more. This budget planner is perfect to take control of your finances, even if you are a beginner and just started your financial journey. Featuring 200 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, over 1,500 planner stickers in 14 unique colors, and 50 plus quote layering stickers that allow you to customize the background to match your planner style. All this and more can be found in the Budget Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at prospectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tip 9, you can work in more physical space when you live with less. You can picture the world's most productive people working in disorganized workplaces. There are a dozen ongoing projects and piles of junk all over the place. I try my best to maintain a basic orderly workspace at home and at work as a moderate minimalist. I manage several creative endeavors just like this YouTube channel and podcast, yet I'm never overwhelmed by clutter. This roomy setting is both psychologically and physically expansive. Creating fresh work is simpler when a page is empty than when it's cluttered. Tip 10, every object has a residence. You'll locate things more easily if you get rid of things that are unnecessary and arrange the ones that are. The days of a junk drawer acting as a black hole are long gone. There won't be any need for you to fish around in your drawers or even unintentionally buy duplicates of something because everything will have its own home. Helping you plan for what's to come. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on our list. Tip 1, minimalist setting of goals. Tip 2, setting task priorities. Tip 3, practicing minimalism releases financial capital. Tip 4, allocating time to the appropriate task. Tip 5, living a simple lifestyle frees up your time. Tip 6, simpler to maintain. Tip 7, less clutter encourages reflection and originality. Tip 8, enhance peace of mind. Tip 9, you can work in more physical space when you live with less. Tip 10, every object has its home. Over the long run, the unglamorous habit of frequency fosters both productivity and creativity. Gretchen Rubin. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/Prospective plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.